In this tutorial, we'll see how to set up the image, content and buttons of a static slider. The first thing you need to do is ensure you have the image for your slider selected. We'd recommend a width of 1920 pixels, but the height may vary depending upon the amount of content you add to your slider. If you add more than 2 to 3 lines of content, make sure your image height is more than 800 pixels. Now let's set up the slider. Go to Appearance, then click on Customize to go to the Customization panel. Then click on Front Page Slider tab. Make sure the slider type is set to Static Slide. The overall static slide settings are divided into 2 parts. The first section, which consists of background image, static slide content, slide text colors and button, takes care of the content part of the slide. The second part takes care of the position and alignment of the slider content. This consists of content box width, vertical position and slider content alignment. If you want to set a single image as a slider image, more like a hero image, click on the Image tab. If you want to display multiple images which will rotate through the pictures, click on Slideshow. So let's upload a single image. Click on the Image tab and then click on Change Image. Now choose the image you want to use by either uploading a file or selecting it from the media library. Now that we've uploaded an image, let's add some content. Click on Edit Content from the static slide content and an editor will appear. There's a logo visible at the slide, but it may not be visible since both the logo and the editor background is white. Click on the empty area above the text to select the logo and press the back button to remove it. You can edit or add your text to display it inside the slider. Next, we will see how to modify the buttons inside the slider. Scroll down a little and then click on the CTA Button 1 tab and the button settings will appear. You can change the button color, text and style from here. If you want to hide the buttons, simply remove the button text and the link and it will be automatically hidden. If you want to add more than 2 buttons, simply remove the CTA buttons and insert button shortcodes from the slider content editor.